The incredible journey from bamboo trees to luxury towels and soft bed linen is about to begin.
Secure the load tightly on the left. All binders are secured. Moving to the weigh station.
Weight is verified. Batch confirmed. You are clear to depart.
The bamboo passes beneath intelligent inspection systems equipped with high-resolution cameras and laser scanners.
We have a slight bottleneck forming at the pre-extraction phase here.
Reroute auxiliary line B to compensate. Monitor moisture levels closely.
We're maintaining optimal temperature and pressure here. The breakdown rate is excellent. Agreed. The cellulose yield looks promising for the textile grade.
Check the fiber concentration on reactor 3.
Holding steady at 98%. Pressure is nominal.
Engines. The cellulose-rich slurry flows into high-capacity rotary separation machines fitted with precision screening systems. The filtered cellulose moves through large industrial washing tanks supplied with purified, recycled water. Cellulose. The washed cellulose enters enormous purification tanks equipped with slow-speed industrial mixers. The blended cellulose enters sealed dissolving reactors, where advanced industrial processing converts it into a spinnable liquid.
The newly formed liquid filaments immediately enter long stainless steel coagulation baths, filled with specially controlled processing liquid.
Computer-controlled systems synchronous temperature, pressure, and solution flow. Engineers perform a final. The purified bamboo spinning solution is pumped under constant pressure through thousands of microscopic spinneret holes inside giant fiber spinning machines.
Fresh bamboo fibers pass through several synchronized stretching rollers operating at carefully controlled speeds.
The washed fibers enter specialized neutralization tanks, where their chemical balance is carefully stabilized. The stabilized bamboo fibers enter enclosed drying chambers, where filtered warm air circulates evenly around at every strength. The dried fibers pass through advanced crimping machines that create gentle and uniform waves along every filament.
The carded fiber web enters advanced combing machines fitted with ultra-fine stainless steel combs. These counters. The opened fibers enter advanced cleaning machines, where powerful airflow removes remaining dust. The uniform slivers move into modern roving machines equipped with synchronized drafting rollers. Ectons. Each bamboo yarn cone passes through advanced electronic inspections equipped with laser measuring technology. The prepared warp beams enter continuous sizing machines, where each bamboo yarn passes through a protective coating solution. Advanced air-jet weaving machines begin operating as thousands of bamboo yarn threads interlock at remarkable speed.
Ranked. High-speed looms produce lightweight bamboo fabric, specially designed for luxury bed linen. Fine bamboo yarns.
The softened fabric moves into a long heat-setting machine equipped with multiple temperature-controlled chambers. Carefully regulated heat stabilizes the woven structure. The heat-treated bamboo fabric enters enclosed industrial drying chambers, where filtered warm air circulates evenly. Large drying cylinders gradually remove moisture.
The scan identified a weaving defect here. All right, I see the marker applied automatically.
Completed bamboo towels and bed linen pass through a textile washing and steam finishing system.
Inventory levels look correct for the next batch. Good, keep the line moving.
Automatic packaging machines carefully place every folded towel bedding set into recyclable protective bags or International customer orders arrive through the factory's computerized logistics platform. Warehouse software.
Okay, easy now. Set it down right there.
Confirmed. Shipment quantities match the order.
According to the plan, this goes here. Okay, slide it in. Did you scan the manifest? Yes, everything is verified. Go ahead and seal it.
All data points confirmed. The bamboo samples pass the advanced verification. Excellent. They are approved for certification.
Finished bamboo products are transported from distribution centers to international retail networks. Delivery trucks supply stores, home furnishing centers, and online fulfillment facilities.
Here are your bamboo textiles.
Oh, perfect. I can't wait to try them. Thank you.
Discover the ultimate comfort with our sustainable bamboo textiles. Soft, natural, and crafted for luxury living. From natural bamboo to premium home comfort, the transformation is complete. The products are ready for customers worldwide.
Look at the real-time metrics. We're exceeding the efficiency goal by 12%. And the quality inspection reports are flawless.